Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor is not working on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. If your fingerprint sensor is not working, the first thing you want to check is if you have your fingerprints set up. To do so, you can go into settings. Here look for passwords, no, security and privacy. Here set yourself a device unlock, which you'll be using, for example, a pattern. Continue through. Choose your lock screen options, and then you can set up your fingerprint. Then you can set it up, and it's here's a disclaimer though. If you are using a screen protector, it might interfere how the sensor reads your fingerprint. So if you ever change your screen protector, you might have to redo your fingerprint scan. As you can see, it's right here. Just touch at different angles, many different angles. Just try and get it all at all the angles you might be using it. Then once you're here, if you already have a fingerprint, you can try putting your finger on the sensor and it should highlight the fingerprint that you are scanning. As you can maybe see, I'll try to put the brightness up a bit so you can see better. As you can see, it highlights the one that I scan. If I scan another, it doesn't show up the same way. Now, if your fingerprints aren't working, you can of course try to delete them and try to set it up again. But if it's not detecting your finger even during this phase, or is detecting it very poorly, you might want to consider cleaning your phone screen, or maybe even removing your screen protector, as it could be incompatible with the fingerprint scanner, which really depends on the quality of the screen protector and its thickness, for example. But if even after all of this it doesn't work, you could also try cleaning your finger, because it could be just that your finger is covered in something that is causing issues with the scanning, or simply your fingerprints have been sanded out by just hard work, as there are cases of that. For example, you may have heard of people who work in construction that have trouble with fingerprint sensors working for them because their fingers are all sanded down to the point where their fingerprints aren't easily visible. And now if everything fails, you could try looking into your settings again. Here, looking into system updates, checking for updates to see if maybe there's some updates that need to be done. If, however, there are no new updates and you still have your problem, you could try simply restarting your phone. You can do so by pressing the volume up and the power buttons at the same time and choosing restart. And I'll do the same thing for this menu. Then tapping restart, of course. You could also try going into safe mode, because it could be one of your apps causing issues, potentially. To do so, press and hold the power off or the reboot option and confirm that you want to reboot into safe mode, which might take a while depending on how old your phone is. Once your phone turns on, you will see by safe mode that you are in safe mode. You can try checking if the fingerprint sensor works. Actually, you might require your pattern after the device is restarted. Then you can try using your fingerprint sensor. If it works, then it's great. If it still doesn't, it could be an issue with the fingerprint sensor itself, so you might have to get that looked at a service center. But if the issue stops once you enter safe mode, that could mean one of your apps is causing the issue, so you'll have to return to normal mode by restarting your phone. But once you are back in normal mode, you'll have to start uninstalling your apps one by one, especially the recently added ones, to check which one could be causing the issues. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.